Hello friends, we're going to be making turkeys today. You should have a piece of paper that looks like this, and a piece of paper that looks like this, and a piece of paper that looks like this. This is what the turkey is going to look like. This is one that I made, and you can see in the middle, you can read, I can read music, in pairs of eighth notes, time signature, and quarter note. And then there's feathers that have rhythms on there that you can practice reading. How fabulous is that? I want to show you some other turkeys that some people made in my house. This one is my son made, and you can see that we wrote the words on pieces of paper and then put them on his paper plate. And that's what his turkey looks like. And this is one of my daughter's turkeys, very colorful. And you can see she also decided to write it on a piece of paper and put it on the middle instead of writing it on the middle of the paper plate. And then my other daughter decided to add extra feathers, but you can still see the music note ones are there, so she could practice reading her notes. And it does say I can read music in the middle, but a little bit hard to read from far away. But that is what your turkeys could look like. So go ahead and grab that paper plate because it's time to get started. The first thing you need to do is write this on your paper plate. So now that you have finished writing this on your paper plate, it's time to color. Quiet on the set. Hello. So now you have colored these two pages. And you can, if you colored over the music notes, that's totally fine. I just decided to leave mine so that it wasn't colored over the music notes. But if you did, don't worry about it. Now it is time to cut these out. Are you ready? I'm ready. Hi. So now we have a paper plate that has our I Can Read music on it. We have our turkey head and little turkey feet and our feathers. Now, in your packet, there should be another page of feathers that are blank. If you want, you can write your own rhythms on these and then color them and cut them out. But you don't have to. It's just something extra if you want to write your own rhythms. Now it is time to glue.